Hello everybody, it's Joel. So I've got a gas tank here. It's a fuel tank on a snowmobile, and it has been faded to say the least. It is nearly white in some locations. So we're going to go ahead and try the Solution Finish Black Trim Restore and see how this works on this plastic fuel tank. I'll go ahead and dab some on to my applicator here. Doesn't take much. Boy, this does a nice job. Just keep rubbing it in and smoothing it around. Still a bit on the applicator. So I made sure this tank was clean before I started, free of any debris. But I'll go ahead and I'll put a little bit more of the finish on there and I will see how it turns out. You can see down there where it's quite white. It's already darkening up where I've put the Solution Finish. Doing a great job. Well, here's an after shot of about 10 to 15 minutes of applying. I would say that it turned out pretty fantastic. Good coverage, nice and even. If I wanted to get more detailed, I could pull some of this trim back and get underneath. But I think this looks really good. It actually got a little bit rubbed onto the seat here, and it does say on the Solution Finish that it will take care of vinyl, but this seat has a rip in it, so I'm going to have to repair that, and I haven't washed the seat yet. But I think that that's going to take care of the seat also. So stay tuned. Maybe we'll have a video on taking the seat apart and fixing the rip in that. But this Solution Finish here really takes care of this trim. Also did the plastic up on here, and boy, did it really restore that nicely. This machine has a broken windshield, that's why that windshield trim is hanging there, but looks really good. I'd recommend that product to anybody who wants to restore some of their plastic trim. I also did it on my F-150. I made a video of that a few months ago. I did a bunch of trim on that also. Worked out really well. But thanks for watching. Hit like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys on the next video.